Hi, I'm Melissa Gonzalez-Valdes, creative artist and master educator here at Farouk Systems. And I want to share with you guys my ultimate favorite product, which is our Royal Treatment Pro Complex. This is an amazing lightweight treatment that you can apply to the hair, and it can be used on all hair types. I like to apply it on my clients' hair when it's wet, damp, or even dry. It is formulated with silk, with pearl and white truffle, which all together adds moisture to the hair. You can repair the hair. You could also add tons of shine and gives you frizz-free results. Again, this can also be applied to your skin as well as your hair. And not to mention, the smell is amazing. So I'm actually going to apply this onto my hands and to my hair. I'm going to run this through to mid-shaft to ends. This can be applied on all hair types. It adds shine, repels humidity, and it will seal all my ends, give me beautiful shiny results, and you could also use it on your skin. And again, beautiful, amazing, lightweight treatment. This is also why, again, this is my favorite product. You can use it multiple ways. Again, silk, white truffle, pro ingredients, gives you that beautiful anti-aging effect onto the hair. You can revive the hair, seal the hair, moisturize the hair, all done with our Chi Pro Complex from our Royal Treatment line.